Good morning. It's Thursday, August 7th, and what I'm watching today are the values of the underlying leaps that I have. And D-Wave Quantum is top of my list right now because they're reporting earnings today, as well as Sana Biotechnology, which is looking pretty rough right now. It seems to have something to do with the fact that Sana has proposed issuing more shares, which is going to dilute current share offering. And, I'm not too happy about it as an options holder, and, it's not great. So, a little disappointed that they're doing that. And I'm not the only one, because they've discounted the price of, the market has discounted the price of Sana by over 16% at this point. So, not great, but I get it. They need to keep the funding going to make sure that they have lots of runway to introduce the product that's going to cure diabetes. So I'll cut them a break this time, but no more frigging around, you bastards.